Just got home from work. It's raining. Kids are done playing. Realized I forgot to talk about the EDC. Well, of course. I carried around my Buck 110. Supplement that. Boker club knife. Micarta handles, brass. Half stop. I was using it to shave some of that winged elm. N690 Steel, Boker, Smoky Mountain Knifeworks exclusive club knife. Nice. And I can't walk around without a sack. Carrying just classic SD. '14 limited edition Swiss ClockWorks. I guess I'm tired of shit, but I guess I'm gonna go figure out dinner with my wife. Take it easy, guys.